Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 116 and friends, today we are going to discuss about those sentences which we normally speak when we go out for shopping in the market. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 116. Kharedari means shopping. So friends, as we normally know that shopping is normally done in the market, means we normally out in the market to buy our favorite items, like we normally buy our favorite clothes, food items or any expensive gifts, etc. Anything, we'll either go to the market to buy that particular item in the shop or in the big malls. So friends, let's see them with examples. वह तो एक साधारण दुकानदार है. So in English it means he is a petty and ordinary shopkeeper. So friends, the sentence basically means that the person is saying कि वह तो एक साधारण दुकानदार है, means he is just a petty and ordinary shopkeeper. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence and we normally say friends in our surroundings also, when we normally go out in the market we see different shops lying there. So we normally say भाई इसकी दुकान तो बहुत छोटी सी है, तो एक साधारण सा दुकानदार है, इस पर ज़्यादा सामान नहीं होता है. So वह तो एक साधारण दुकानदार है. So in English it means he is a petty and ordinary shopkeeper. So it is a present type sentence friends, and since it is a sentence related to shopping. यह चावल घटिया दर्जे का है. So in English it means this rice is of an inferior quality. So friends, the sentence basically means that the person is basically telling the quality of the item, that is food item. So he is basically saying यह चावल घटिया दर्जे का है, means it is a present type sentence. So in English it means this rice is of an inferior quality. So friends, if a person knows well about food and eating items, so he can easily judge whether the rice is of good quality or it is of an inferior quality. So in this case, यह चावल घटिया दर्जे का है. So in English it means this rice is of an inferior quality. So it is a present type sentence friends, and since this is a sentence related to shopping. यह वस्तु तो कौड़ियों के भाव बिक रही है. So in English it means this article is selling at a throwaway price. So friends, the sentence basically means that the person is saying कि भाई ये जो वस्तु है ये तो कौड़ियों के भाव बिक रही है, मीन्स इसका कहीं भी कोई मोल भाव नहीं लगा रहा, मतलब ये एकदम कौड़ियों के भाव जा रही है, कोई इसे खरीदने को तैयार नहीं है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स दिस आर्टिकल इज सेलिंग एट अ थ्रो अवे प्राइस. सो फ्रेंड्स, बेसिकली इट इज अ प्रेजेंट टाइप सेंटेंस एंड सिंस द आर्टिकल इज बेसिकली सेलिंग बट इट इज नॉट selling at a good price, means it is going as a garbage in the throwaway price. So यह वस्तु तो कौड़ियों के भाव बिक रही है. So in English it means this article is selling at a throwaway price, means it has no fixed price or nobody is willing to huge large amount on it. So friends, since this sentence is related to shopping. यह पुस्तक धड़ाधड़ बिक रही है. So in English it means this book is selling like hot cakes. So the sentence basically means friends, the person is basically saying कि भाई यह पुस्तक धड़ाधड़ बिक रही है, मतलब इस बुक में जो इसके जो ऑथर हैं या बुक में जो कंटेंट है बहुत अच्छा है, इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा सेल हो रही है, इसकी डिमांड बहुत ज़्यादा है मार्केट में और सबसे ज़्यादा बिक रही है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स दिस बुक इज सेलिंग लाइक हॉट केक्स. सो फ्रेंड, बेसिकली इट इज अ प्रेजेंट टाइप सेंटेंस एंड सिंस द पर्सन इज बेसिकली टेलिंग एंड प्रेजिंग द सेलिंग ऑफ बुक्स, सो ही इज बेसिकली सेइंग कि दिस बुक इज सेलिंग लाइक हॉट केक्स, मीन्स यह पुस्तक धड़ाधड़ बिक रही है. सो द बुक मस्ट बी हैविंग गुड कंटेंट एंड the author is also well renowned, so it is selling like hotcakes and it has a good name in the public. So it is a present type sentence friends, and since it is related to selling, so it is a shopping type sentence. मेरे पास 50 पैसे कम है. So in English it means I am short by 50 पैसे. The sentence basically means that friends, the person is saying भाई मेरे पास 50 पैसे या 1 रुपया कम है, मेरे पास शॉर्टेज है पैसों की. So in English it means I am short by 50 पैसे. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence and मेरे पास 50 पैसे कम है. So we normally say I am short by 50 पैसे. So it is a present type sentence friends, and since the person has gone out to purchase something in the market, so it is a shopping type sentence. तुमने मुझे 1 रुपया कम दिया है. So in English it means you have given me 1 rupee less. The sentence basically means that the person is basically complaining to another person कि भाई तुमने मुझे 1 रुपया कम दिया है, मीन्स तुमने मुझे जो तुमने मुझसे बोला था तुमने उतना नहीं दिया, उससे कम ही दिया है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स you have given me 1 rupee less. So friends, basically it is a present perfect type sentence, and since the person is basically telling to another person and complaining about it also that you have given me 1 rupee less means तुमने मुझे 1 रुपया कम दिया है. So the person wanted to go for shopping, so it is a shopping related sentence. यह कपड़ा धोने पर सिकुड़ जाता है. So in English it means this cloth shrinks on washing. So the friends, the sentence basically means that the person is saying about the quality of the cloth. So basically he is telling or he is complaining about the quality of the cloth. So he is basically telling his views. So he is saying यह कपड़ा धोने पर सिकुड़ जाता है means this cloth shrinks on washing. So friends, the sentence means that the cloth must be of inferior quality, that's why it gets shrinked easily. So यह कपड़ा धोने पर सिकुड़ जाता है. So in English it means this cloth shrinks on washing. So it happens with us also friends, in our home also when we buy cloths of inferior quality means if it is not branded. So if we try to wash it first time at our home, so normally it gets shrinks or it colors fades. So friends, ये कपड़ा धोने पर सिकुड़ जाता है. This cloth shrinks on washing. So it is a friends present perfect type sentence, and since the sentence is related to shopping, so it is a shopping related sentence. यह आम अधिक पका हुआ है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स दिस मैंगो इज ओवर राइप. सो फ्रेंड्स, द सेंटेंस बेसिकली मीन्स दैट द पर्सन इज सेइंग कि भाई ये जो आम है ये बहुत ज़्यादा पका हुआ है. मीन्स ना तो ये बिल्कुल परफेक्ट नहीं है, खाने में इसका स्वाद अच्छा नहीं है, बिल्कुल बहुत ज़्यादा पक गया कि खाने में इसका स्वाद नहीं आ रहा है. और इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स दिस मैंगो इज ओवर राइप, कुछ ज़्यादा पका हुआ है. सो फ्रेंड्स, बेसिकली इट इज ए प्रेजेंट टाइप सेंटेंस, एंड सिंस द पर्सन इज बेसिकली मेंशनिंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, that is mango or fruit. So यह आम अधिक पका हुआ है. So in English it means this mango is overripe. So friends, basically it is a shopping type sentence because the person has basically purchased mango from the market. So it is a shopping type sentence. हड़ताल के कारण सब काम बंद है. So in English it means everything is closed because of the strike. The sentence basically means that the person is basically saying कि भाई हड़ताल के कारण सब काम बंद है. So everything is closed because of the strike. So it is a present type sentence. And friends, we normally see in our day-to-day life also the government offices, etc., schools, college offices, they normally get closed because their employees are not very much satisfied with the government policies. They normally go for strike. So it normally happens in the government sectors, etc., that due to strike the offices get closed. So हड़ताल के कारण सब काम बंद है. So in English it means everything is closed because of the strike. So it is a present type sentence, friends, and since the sentence is related to strike, so it is a shopping related sentence because normally person go out at the market normally to buy and purchase things from the shop, etc. So it is a shopping related sentence. So friends, this was the English speaking part 116, in which I tried to explain you about kharidari means shopping type sentences. As I had already told you friends, shopping is normally we try to purchase things from the market at our favorite shop. Either we purchase food, either clothes, either any expensive electronic item, anything we want to purchase, we normally buy from the shop in the market. So friends, I hope you would have find it easier to understand about kharidari means shopping type sentences, because as usual I wrote down them in Hindi and side by side I tried to translate you in English so that you may find it easier to understand about shopping related sentences. So friends, I would like to say, kindly practice these kind of sentences in your spare time. Either try to talk in front of mirror or try to talk with your friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. And friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, and please do press the bell icon in the subscription box, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, I would say knowledge, basics and awareness of kharidari means shopping type of sentences is very important because friends, we normally do shopping on regular basis from the market. So these kind of sentences play a very important role if we want to buy anything from the market. So we need to practice these sentences on a regular basis. And friends, shopping type sentences play a very important role if we want to become a fluent English speaker. So basically it is a communication type sentences. So friends, at last I would also say once again, kindly practice these sentences daily, and with the passage of time you will realize that your personality has grown, your confidence has boosted up, and ultimately you have become a fluent English speaker in front of another person. So friends, please keep supporting me so that I may bring you more interesting English speaking topics which could prove to be an asset for you and which could help you in brushing up your fluent English communication in front of bigger society or in front of bigger perspective. So friends, thanks for your valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.